Let's address the elephant in the room. AI is taking sales jobs. You got to find something new to do if you want to provide for your family, if you want to pay your rent, put food in your mouth. It seems like there's a lot of big headlines, or there has been a lot of big headlines from big companies that may or may not have incentive to say certain things, that AI is coming for sales jobs. And I'd like to provide you a different perspective. I run a sales newsletter. It's called Because of Sales. The whole reason why we exist is because we want salespeople like you to stay up to date with what is working right now in sales. A big part of that is AI, because AI is working in sales, but maybe not in the way that they want you to think it is. So there was a thread that went a little bit viral-ish within the sales subreddit, and it was something like 200 sales reps responded on how they are using AI right now, today, in their jobs. Now, this post was specifically for account executives asking about how they're using it in their daily work, and we have a slew of responses mentioning a lot of different things. Now, despite all the scary headlines saying by 2026, by 2027, SDRs are out, BDRs are out, we have tweets coming out about Microsoft banning Claude Code after AI is costing them more than the humans that replaced it. You guys have maybe heard about the data centers and the water and the lack of power, and that's why everybody's investing in the energy and the infrastructure around AI, because that's kind of the new hot thing. But based on how all these salespeople are using AI right now today, it's just not there. It's just not good enough to replace people. If you can be replaced by AI in the current state of how it exists, you are going to get replaced by somebody else. You are going to get replaced by a human. By the way, speaking of humans, check out this trophy. $30,000 a month for our guy Josh, hand delivering it end of this week. He's a remote closer. He's in the serial sales community. First link. It seems like most people don't trust it for anything client facing. And I think that's kind of the case in a lot of other industries or a lot of other roles. It seems like the biggest lift so far with actual sales reps who are anonymous on Reddit and have no reason to lie about this is admin and a little bit of data, but not all data, because data is sensitive and a lot of these companies aren't quite convinced to have like company cloud accounts. And that's a huge risk for them to have their reps putting private prospect data, customer data into their own personal LLMs. So it's like this kind of awkward middle ground of, we know we need it, but we don't know how to use it. But the ones that do, it's kind of gray hat in some cases, but then it's actually not that good. And I've even seen reports of companies' performance dipping after bringing in the AI SDRs. So it's kind of a really interesting time for salespeople. My stance has been and will remain, salespeople with AI are going to replace salespeople without AI. It's not going to be AI replacing salespeople, at least not, in the near future as I see it, unless there's some major development that none of us are forecasting here. We got people using this for research, account tiering, data organization, financial analysis, writing equations, responding to micromanager boss, note-taking, morning briefs, meeting intel, meeting prep, just a lot of data analysis, a lot of admin, a lot of interpretation of what is already happening, not the selling itself. We have some people that are using it to scrape leads. I mean, it's very, very useful stuff. I was actually talking to someone I know recently. There's a big hole in the market right now for anybody who wants to run some sort of like mid-ticket DIY, DWI, or DWY service on how to build and own your own AI systems as a sales rep. Relying on a company, not always the best move. Taking ownership, owning your own stuff so you can use it no matter what company you're at, a good move. Somebody should make that, and let me know if you do, and I will help you promote it if it's good. By the way, have you heard of Two-Piece Tuesday yet? Every Tuesday, I'm sending 2 roles, one for an experienced rep, one for a beginner rep, on how to land and do proper due diligence on 1099 remote inbound setting and closing roles. So I'm going to show the role, the details, the earnings, where it was sourced from, what I like about it, what I need to know more about, yellow flags, red flags, and my final 2 cents. And usually at the end of the email, if you go all the way down, there's going to be a link to apply to at least one of them. That's completely free. If you're already on my email list, you're on it. So don't worry about this. But second link in the description will get you access to Two-Piece Tuesdays. It's free. you got nothing to lose. If you're in sales, you're watching this, go subscribe. You're going to be mad about a remote sales job? You're going to be mad you make 5 figures a month from home as a contractor and take advantage of 1099 tax benefits? Don't be foolish, man. Second link below. Go down there. I've worked with people personally that have put all the information readily available into a database, an LLM. I don't even know the proper terminology because this is kind of above my head as someone who's in AI a little bit. Trained it on all the YouTube videos, trained it on all the podcasts, all the emails to speak like someone, to talk like someone. And then they feed all their sales calls into that. And they're getting back like very, very detailed. I mean, they have a lot of sales call data. They're getting back very detailed reasons as to, are the leads good? Are they bad? Is it a closing problem? Is it a setting problem? They're using it for follow-ups based on what's already worked, based on outcomes of other people that have worked with that team. It's a second brain that is being used. It can recall out of a database that's like infinitely large, things that you would never be able to remember, speak it in language that's been proven to convert. There's definitely an issue with data there if you sell something private and sensitive, but like there's definitely ways around it. There's definitely ways you can get your employer to shill out a couple $100 for the betterment of your role in the company. But I mean, besides someone who's just straight up in AI, like I'm at the intersection of sales and AI, and I see all the crazy stuff, and there's some cool stuff going on. Like I have a webinar that I'm supposed to go to tomorrow about how this dude has an AI appointment setter, DM setter, prospecting bot that booked him 73 meetings on LinkedIn in 23 days or something. So I'm going to go to that. We'll see. Like there's a lot of stuff coming out very often, but you know, we're midway through 2026 and like those AI SDRs that were going super viral in 23, 24, where are they now? I don't know. Hopefully by making this video, you guys have a little bit more peace of mind live from the trench of what's happening in sales right now, that AI is not taking your job. It's not even close to taking your job. If your job was not even really sales to begin with, then maybe it is. But if you're a salesperson, you've been doing this, you plan on doing it, you're good at doing it, I wouldn't be too worried. And if you are a salesperson and you're not worried and you want a remote job so you can toy around with your little AI stuff like I do and like people I know do, then look at the serial sales community. First link down below. We help people get remote sales jobs. Up here on your left-hand side, this side, it's going to be a whole list of interviews of people that we've worked with that are in our community, gotten to 10,000 plus per month in remote commissions, taking inbound leads. I don't have much more to say. Check out the page, first link, check out the interviews up there. We're really good at what we do. And I mean, there's a huge opportunity with AI right now. Like you should definitely be looking into this. I think if you have sales skill, this is like the next best thing since the internet in terms of opportunities that's existing. And look, if you're in a job right now that's taking all your time, 9 to 5, in person, whatever, and you've got this itch and this burn to build with AI, but you got no time, maybe you need a flexible contracted remote sales role. And maybe you need to click the first link in the description to talk to us about that. Maybe you don't. I could be wrong. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. As of this going up, we should be right around 4,000 subscribers, which is cool. I'm not going to lie, it's taken longer than I thought, but still 4,000 people. That's pretty damn cool. So thank you guys for watching this. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see more of. I'm here in the trench with you guys, man. Cutting edge stuff every week. Get a remote sales job. Do it your way. Stay on the edge of what's working. That's what we're about here. I'll see y'all next week.